Hi, it's me, and this is my first time talking in my YouTube channel, or on my YouTube channel, whatever you call it, and let's get right into the video. As you can see on the title of my YouTube, it says how to make your edits look better, adding a little touch to it, or probably just helping you get to the places that you've been feeling stuck on with your edits. So you would want to have a clip or a character you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit her, right? Okay, I'm just gonna get this video. I'm gonna get her like there, split, delete, sorry, capcut, delete, 0.8 seconds. That's perfect. Okay, first step, what you want to do is remove black borders or black lines on the video that you have right here. You see right here, there are these black lines that you do not want. You can either just zoom it out, cut it out like that, or go to edit, crop, and then just crop out the black lines. And that is very nice. That looks a lot better. And when you do transitions, they won't cut in your way or anything like that anymore. I'm just gonna do that for my second video too.
Nice.
Now that you got your videos set, I'm just gonna add a capcut audio, I guess. I did not prepare for this much. Let's say all day, all night.
Wait a minute!
Reduce noise?
Where did that come from?
Oh my god.
CapCut really be stepping their game. Okay. You're doing a good job here. Good job, CapCut.
Good job.
Okay, back to the point. Okay. Now that we got our borders out, you want to do a transition. Boom. You do a... Sorry, I'm not going to be teaching like transitions right now. I'm just going to... Let's just pretend that I just don't like so choppy, all that stuff. I don't know what to do with it.
I don't know what I'm doing.
So what I'm gonna be doing is putting fade and glow. Glow, should I say glow? Or maybe I should say put fade and brightness, because I'm not actually putting glow here. So how do you do that is the question. Click on this video, click on the first video, which is the out transition right there. I am going to fade the video out, but not completely, right? So how do you do that? You do not want to use a solid color black and stuff. It's gonna fade out completely. It's gonna look bad. Gonna make it like keyframe right here. Click keyframe at the beginning of the video and the middle, whatever you want, however fast you want it. Click at the end of the video, which this one has to be at the end. You can't put it in the middle because it's gonna be like,
it's not gonna look good. Okay,
click adjust, click brightness, and put it all the way down, or maybe just like 35, like that. Let's see. That doesn't look that great, right? Because it is too slow. Brightness is going too slow. What you can do is move the first keyframe to the beginning, to the middle, apologize. Put it in the middle like that, adjust. Go make it normal like that on brightness. Click check. Yeah. You see that coming? You see that coming right there? Now, what like, it's not, it's just whatever, right? So what you want to do is go to the second clip, click adjust, click keyframe, like how you did it to the first clip, and like click another keyframe, let's say at the middle. Your first keyframe would want to adjust the brightness to, let's say, all the way up, or if you don't like that, you can just put it like here, here. Just make it brighter. Click check. And that looks so much better, right? I really enjoy watching that part. It's really satisfying. Now let's get on to the next part. What you want? So you got the transitions, you got it to make it look smoother and everything. Now you want to make it look fancier. What I usually do is I usually go on YouTube, find overlays, find light leak, or something similar to that. I usually get light leaks. Light leaks really save your edits. Let's find that real quick though.
2 hours later.
I am back. Okay, let's say I want to use this light leak to save my edit. We would not want it to cover the whole edit, obviously. We would just click on splice, click filter, and also guys, never forget to mute your overlay, because I have made that mistake so many times. It is not even funny. I don't even know how I managed to do that. So please don't make the same mistake I do and mute your overlays. Okay? Now, that looks gorgeous. It's basically a preset coloring for you. You do not have to add anything else. But hey, it covers all your brightness. Add the brightness up, you guys. Let's say you want to do it like this. That looks so gorgeous. And if you say, oh my god, that does not change anything. Well, splice, click opacity. You want to lower down the overlay? It's up to you. It is your choice. You can do whatever you want. Because I say I like this edit. On to my next tip. Add velocity. Or basically just make your videos or your clips slower. You can add Twixtor if you're like, if you really want to put effort that much. Because I would really recommend Twixtor. It looks great, but velocity is also a pretty good option for you. Let's say you want to slow this video down. Go. Where do I go? Click speed.
Duh.
Click speed. Normal, not really. I would usually just add a curve. What happened? Oh. Okay, you know what? Let me just remove all of these transitions real quick, because it is not helping me. Let me delete this. Sorry, Marina. Maria. I don't remember her name. Okay, let's go back to the velocity. Let's click. Say I don't want the video to be entirely slow. I want it to be fast and slow. This will be my suggestion for you. This is what I usually do when I was on CapCut. I would make this fast. Okay, please don't. This is something that really annoys me. That it automatically plays the video for you when I did not even ask you to. Okay, let's say I want it like that. That looks fast. Because this is too fast. You know what? Just like do like whatever you want to do with the clip. I would usually add just like trying to make it slow. Don't make it too choppy. Don't make it too slow, because it's just gonna make your video like really like laggy. Like it will look like a really low frame per rate edit, and it's not gonna look that good. Okay, let's say that's slow it down. Let's say I slowed it down already. But you know what I mean. Just try slowing the video down. Don't have to go serious on about it. Because if the whole edit of yours is just people moving and talking, opening their mouth over and over again, you wouldn't really enjoy that edit, be honest with me. It's just like that, you know. So we would want them to move the least they could possibly do. And my last tip for the day, add overlays. Wait, no, that's not the last tip. Okay, I will give you guys another tip later, but this is before the last step. I forgot about another thing for you guys. This one, add overlays. I did say about light leaks. that's practically an overlay, but maybe you might want to do other overlays too, except light leak. Let's say you want to add grains. Grains look good. I really like grains. Grains make the edits look aesthetic, if you ask me. What is going on? Why is it not showing? Is it the glitch? Sorry guys, click that out. Okay. It is broken.